Hey guys, finally Asus ROG Phone 8 series launched in USA today. Asus launched two smartphones, Asus ROG Phone 8 and Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro. And also ROG Phone 8 is launched in China on 16 January. The smartphone comes with 6.78-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and the phone protected by Gorilla Glass Big Touch 2. And the smartphone peak brightness is 1600 nits, and this is the 360 view the phone. And as you can see that the phone comes with very big camera bump. The smartphone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC with LPDDR5X RAM up to 24GB with UFS 4.0 storage up to 1TB, and the phone running Android 14, and the Geekbench 6.1 score. Single core score is 2213 and multi-core score is 7048 point. And the phone also comes with triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor who is Sony IMX890, 13 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel telephoto lens and 32 megapixel selfie camera. And the smartphone powered by 5500 mAh battery with 65 watt fast charger. The phone also comes with stereo speaker, in-display fingerprint scanner, headphone jack, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and the smartphone weight is 225 gram. Asus phone ROG 8 starting price $1100 and Asus phone ROG 8 Pro starting price is $1200. Let me know in the comment section your thought about Asus phone ROG 8 series. That's pretty much for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.